Namaste and welcome. This week's slow flow is one of my favorites. It is all on the back and can be done when you've first woken up in the morning, as you're still laying in bed, or as part of your nighttime before bed ritual. Also can be done anytime throughout the day. Make sure you've got plenty of space and possibly a strap if you know that you need it. Whenever you are ready, we'll begin. Draw your knees to your chest, choosing to wrap your hands over top or underneath the knees. Rock gently from side to side if you'd like. You can begin to plant the left foot onto the floor and straighten your right leg out. Interlace your fingers and hold onto your calf. As you exhale, draw your knee into your chest, and as you inhale, straighten your leg out. As this leg begins to open up, you're welcome to stretch and extend the left leg out as well. Grab onto the outer edge of your ankle, calf, foot if you're able to reach it. This is also a great place to utilize a strap, hooking it over the ball of your foot. And then cross the leg across your body, leaving your hips and shoulders planted until you start to feel the stretch in the outer edge of your leg. Pull your leg into your chest, open the hip, rock it from side to side. And lengthen the right leg down. Plant your foot into the mat, point your knee upwards, and switch your legs, interlacing fingers behind the left leg. Exhale, guide knee into chest, and inhale, straighten your leg out. And take as many breaths as you need for this leg to feel as open and awakened as the other leg. Extend your right leg out. Okay, left hand to the outer edge of left leg, letting it fall open to your edge. And guide the leg through center and cross the body, again leaving your shoulders planted. Hold on to your knee and foot. And gently rock your leg from side to side, opening up your hip. Cross left knee over top of right. Create a bind, holding onto your calves, ankles, heels, or the pinky toe sides of the feet. And as much as you pull onto your feet or your legs, also be sure to resist away with the feet as well, pressing them back into the hands. And get a deeper stretch this way. And cross left ankle over right thigh. Drop the right knee open, planting left foot and the knee onto the floor. And stay here for a handful of breaths, allowing for the outer edge of the hip here and your leg to be slowly opened. If you would like to, you can create a bind by beginning to walk the right foot towards your left hand. if you can't reach it. Also, another nice place for a strap if you are unable to bind here. Can use the strap to help assist slug a little bit closer and giving a deeper stretch. And slowly come out and switch your legs. Cross the right ankle over top of the left and slide it all the way so that the knees stack. Find yourself in Gomukhasana, cow face pose, and create whichever version of the bind felt best to you. Also, steady breath in and out. Really slowly crossing right ankle over left thigh and dropping the knee open and planting the foot as well. A few breaths to relax here. Breathe. And make sure both of your shoulders are resting equally onto the floor below you. And if you'd like to create the bind on this side, you're welcome to as well, either with your hand or the assistance of a strap. And come out slowly. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees drop out wide. Let right hand rest onto your belly and left hand onto your heart, just to begin to feel the movement of breath. Belly expands as you inhale, chest lifts. Everything softens back into the center as you exhale out. Interlace your fingers together, cup the back of your head, and slowly guide your chin to your chest. And lower back down. Inhale to come up, and exhale to lower. And take a few more of these, just gently stretching the back of the neck. Release your hands. Cross the right knee over top of the left and allow for both knees to fall open to the left. Keep your shoulders planted and stay for a few breaths in your twist. When you are ready to come out, prepare with an inhale. And as you exhale, return onto your back and draw the low belly in. Feel the hips plant, recenter yourself into the mat. Heel toe your feet to the edges of your mat. Lower back is completely flattened out. Stack the left knee over top of the right and allow for both to fall to the right side. Plant both shoulders and draw the right shoulder to the right side of the mat. With your next inhale, prepare to come out. Exhale, return onto your back. Draw low belly in. Heel to the feet wide. And let the left knee fall open as the right knee falls into the center. And switch sides. You're staying for a couple breaths if it feels especially nice to you. This concludes today's slow flow. If you would like to continue your practice, you are welcome to follow up with any of my other videos. Or if this was exactly what you needed for your 10-minute break, you're welcome to end your practice here and maybe take a little savasana. If you enjoyed this, please like this video. Leave any comments about what you enjoyed or things you would enjoy seeing for future videos. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching. Namaste.